Hello, everyone. Today we're going to be talking about the height adjustable standing desk under the topic Human Anatomy Ergonomic Design. The product we choose to analyze is the Halter ED Height Adjustable Sit Stand Desk, which is a suitable ergonomic solution for different scenarios. These desks enable users to work comfortably at the most suitable seated height, encouraging variations in posture throughout the day and offering additional health advantages. Starting with the benefits and drawbacks, one of the most significant advantages is increase in productivity. When standing at their workstation, employees are more driven to complete their tasks. Since studies have shown that using height adjustable desks can stimulate the brain up to 20%, resulting in quicker and better decision-making processes. This increased productivity can also lead to time saving over time, as work is complete more quickly and more time can be spent in other projects. However, some users may not experience the full benefits of the height adjustable desk due to the lack of direction on how to use, and sometimes it may not meet their users' needs. Additionally, the cost of these desks tends to be higher than additional desks, and maintenance may also be required, especially for electric desks. Lastly, some adjustable height desks require electrical outlets to power the monitor that raise and lower the desk, which may not be readily available to users. The danger of sitting for too long can have negative effects on your health. It can increase the risk of obesity and metabolic syndrome, which is a cluster of health conditions like high blood sugar and unhealthy cholesterol levels and pain in the back muscles. Therefore, it is essential to be mindful of the amount of time spent sitting and incorporating regular breaks and movement into the workday to prevent these negative health effects. Next, to ensure the height adjustable desks are optimized for ergonomic performances, several design solutions can be implemented. Firstly, the desk should have an adjustable height range that caters to users of various height. The height adjustment mechanism should operate smoothly and quietly without causing discomfort or disruption to the work. To prevent accident or injury, anti-collision technology should be incorporated into the desk, especially in shared workspaces. The desk should have a stable base that can support the weight of the desktop and equipment without wobbling or tipping. An adjustment monitor stand can also be added to the position to monitor the correct height and angle, reducing neck and eye strain.
Color theory can affect the design and aesthetic of the Halter ED 258 pre-assembled height adjustable desk stand. Evaluating desktop. The choice of color used on our desk is white or black, which is associated with the balance and growth. Positive perception may then influence the overall impression of the desk, leading them to overlook at any potential flaw or drawbacks. Moving on to the human anatomy and biomechanics must be considered in the ergonomic design of the desk. For example, the height of the desk should be adjustable to preserve a neutral spine position and prevent stress on the neck and shoulders. A proper keyboard and mouse height should be included to the desk to reduce strain on the wrist and forearms. Additionally, make sure that the head, neck, torso, legs are in line, as the place of work need to have sufficient space for user to rest their arm comfortably and have enough leg room to prevent low back and hip discomfort. The cube effect refers to physiological phenomenon where people tend to overvalue objects that they have personally invested time, effort, and creativity into creating or customizing. For the customizing the desk by adding personal touches or modification, this sense of investment and ownership can lead to a stronger emotional attachment to the desk, which in turn could lead to increased satisfaction. The halo effect is a cognitive bias that occurs when a person's overall perception of the person, product, or company influence their perception of that entity-specific traits or characteristic. If a person have a favorable overall impression of the desk, they may perceive it to be more functional. And lastly, the cognitive load is the amount of mental effort required to process information and perform tasks. and can be affected by factors such as the complexity of the adjustment mechanism. And here is our reference. Thank you for listening.